Hi everyone, this is David Coleman from WP Mayor. Today we're going to look at a WordPress plugin called Ultimate FAQ. Ultimate FAQ is a frequently asked questions builder from a company called Etoile Web Design. And they make a free and a premium version of this plugin. And let's take a look at the free version first. It offers a free 7-day live demo you can check out. It comes with multiple styles and layouts. It's compatible with WooCommerce. And here's the shortcode just to display the FAQs on your site. It comes with full support for categories and tags. It includes an Ajax FAQ search form. You can output to PDF files, include your own custom CSS. It offers statistics and styling options as well as video tutorials. Premium features include drag and drop reordering, SEO-friendly links, social media support, allowing users to input their own questions, WooCommerce compatibility, accordion display, comments, SEO friendliness, mobile responsiveness, grouping by category, premium features such as 15 toggle icon sets, different FAQ display styles, the different shortcodes that come with the plugin, further help, FAQ page, installation guide, and whatnot. Different FAQ questions answered, some reviews, and more. The ratings look good on the free page. So let's go ahead and install the free version. Let's go to Plugins, Add New, and do a search for Ultimate FAQ. It's the first result. Click the Install Now button. And let's go over to our plugin section and click Activate. So here's the menu. Let's check out the dashboard. You can upgrade to the full version. You can use the free trial code, which is really nice, for 7 days. It goes here and click Upgrade. It shows you the number of FAQs you have, how many times they've been viewed, the most viewed, and you can click here for support. The free version offers video tutorials, a forum, online documentation. Here's an FAQ summary, number of views, the categories you have. You can leave a review, check out recent changes, what's in the news, and some of their other plugins. So let's look at the free version in a little more detail. The FAQ tab shows all of your frequently asked questions. You can filter by category. And you can see here we're filtering by the general questions category. Let's go back and look at all of them. You can see my order was damaged during shipment. Do you charge sales tax? How can I track my order? Can you lower the price? And different questions that we've asked for our shoe company, our make-believe shoe company that I put on the site. So if you want to add a new FAQ, you do it here. Just put in your title, put in your information. Shoe World offers some of the fastest shipping. Add some details if you want. Set a FAQ category, shipping questions, add tags. We'll use the most popular tags: order, ship, shipping. And then all you have to do is click Publish. It's that easy. Now let's go look at our shop. This is our shop. We'll check this out later with WooCommerce. Let's go look at the FAQ section and go under Shipping. And here it is. When will my order ship? It posts the author, category, tags. You can expand and collapse all of the FAQs. You can style these however you want, not show categories, not show tags. If you decide not to show the publisher, you can take that out. So let's click a tag here, customer care. And you can see it shows the 3 questions that relate to customer care, either in the title or in the body of the response. So let's go ahead and close this up. And let's take a look at the FAQ page. And this is the shortcode that shows all those questions and answers. Okay, let's go back Here's the categories tab. If we want to add a new category, we do that here. Let's put in discounts. The slug should be lowercase with no spaces. Use hyphens if you need to. And then click the add new FAQ category, and here it is. It's that easy. Same thing with tags. For slugs, you want lowercase. Add new FAQ tag, and there's a Nike tag. Now the settings here for the free version come with basic. You can do custom CSS like I did here. Change my font size to 16. And you can see if you can change it to however you want. You can go crazy with like 44 pixels and check out what that looks like. So you can do basic CSS styling with the free version. I'll put that back to 16. Scroll to top, yes. When the page opens, they have editor help in the editor. I'll show you what that is. So FAQ shortcodes is what we're talking about here. Display FAQs, number of FAQs, 5. And the count is 5, the last 5 FAQs that we've created. And for the full list, you do this. You can also do search and submit with the premium version. Most recent FAQs, let's go 3. It will show you the last 3 FAQs you created and the most popular, the ones that have been looked at the most. Okay, so you can turn on comment support. You can include a permalink icon. I'll show you what that looks like here. Let's refresh. And right here, it'll link to a post page with the question and answer. Permalink types, you can go to the main page or individual pages. You can use an FAQ toggle, which looks like this. It's just toggle open and close like that. And when you turn the toggle off like this, save that and refresh the page. And now you go to its individual page. You can expand and collapse all the questions at once. Collapse them back up. Accordion, turn that on so you can see what that looks like. With the accordion, you open one question at a time. If you click another one, the previous question closes. You can hide categories, which we haven't done in this case, as I'll show you. Sometimes it's nice to keep the categories open. General questions, payment questions, pricing questions, returns, and so on. You can hide tags, which we haven't yet, because if you click a tag, you can go to similar FAQs. Display all answers on a page load. Not typical, but you have the option to do it, where every answer is opened up. You can display the post author, the post date, and the back to top button, which looks like this. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom here and click the back to top, and it'll take us to the very top. The premium version allows for different display styles, different color block shapes, reveal effects. You can allow them to rate FAQs. You can have pretty permalinks, autocomplete titles with a search function, choose your own slug base, social media compatibility, WooCommerce compatibility, which we'll look at a little later. You can allow them to propose questions and answers. In the ordering section, you can group FAQs by category. You can sort categories by count or slug, ascending or descending. You can order individual FAQs by title, modification date, ascending and descending. This order table is a nice premium feature which allows you to do drag and drop. The Fields tab allows you to add extra information for your FAQs. The Labels area allows you to replace the default text on your FAQ pages. And in the styling section are premium options for changing the toggle symbol, different styling for the toggle, changing the black theme, the list theme, changing the actual FAQ question itself, the answer, the FAQ post date, categories and tags, and different FAQ headings. The Export tab allows you to export to PDF or to a spreadsheet if you have the premium version. The Import tab allows you to import from another FAQ plugin, or more importantly, to import from a spreadsheet. Let's upgrade to the premium version of Ultimate FAQ so we can check that out. Let's go into the Ultimate FAQ dashboard and copy the code for the free 7-day trial. Let's paste it here and click Upgrade. Now when we go into the Settings tab, we'll see that we have some premium features that are available. We have FAQ display styles, color block. Let's see what that looks like. And here you go. Block. Let's go back, refresh the page. This is the block style. Border block. That's the border block style. List style. Click Save Changes. So you see we have different styles now available. Minimalist. We have color block shapes. Reveal effects. The blind is good. It's nice and subtle. And let's see, bounce. I'm not sure how you feel about that one. I found about half of the reveal effects to be worth trying out. Let's look at the Ultimate FAQ shortcodes. Now here we have a blank white page. And let's go, and we have our test page. We can use FAQ shortcode helper, display FAQs. It has 2 attributes. There's the whole list. You can see all of our FAQs are displayed. And we have an attribute for the category to include and category to exclude. So you can set that up more easily with this little helper. The count equals 3. We're going to put in the category of returns. So 3 FAQs from the return category. And here you go. Let's get rid of that and try another one here. Search FAQs. This is a search function. And with this search function, all of the FAQs are loaded. But here you have the search function here. And let's check out returns. And it returns the results for that query. And let's try a different search function. We'll put the search function at the top and the FAQs underneath. See what that looks like. Let's go back, refresh the page. There's our questions. Here's our search function on top. Shipping. It retrieves the results for all the questions and responses related to shipping. Let's get rid of that. Try another one. Submit FAQ. Submit question. This lets the user submit their own FAQ question. Question title. And they can even respond to that if they wish. Do you have any specials? Yes, every Wednesday. You can put the author if you wish. And this will go to the draft area. See draft. And you can check it out and approve it or modify it if you wish before you publish. So you can do that if you go down here to the FAQ settings and you have these on yes. We'll turn that back to no. Let's check out some more shortcodes. Recent FAQs. We'll show here the 4 most recent FAQs we created, or the last 5 by default. Popular FAQs, the ones that have been viewed the most. We'll show the last two. Now let's look at WooCommerce and the Ultimate FAQ working together. So here's my shoe store. And if you look at the details, we have description, additional information, and reviews. We can add a tab here for answering frequently asked questions. So let's do that. Let's go into FAQ categories, and you need to create a category name with the same name as the product. Remember, the slug should be all lowercase with dashes between words. So just make the name of the category the same name as your product. Add FAQ category, and here it is right here. Okay, now we're going to go and we're going to add a FAQ for this category. So let's put our title or question here. Does this model come in gold? And we'll put our response here. We will be getting gold models in on December 1st. Choose the product category over here. There it is. Click Publish. Settings, Premium. Now you have to have these settings on right here for it to work. Okay, WooCommerce FAQs, yes. Now let's go check out the shop. Let's go look at that shoe. Is this blue shoe here? Look at the product details. And now on the right here, you can see we have that FAQ. And you can add as many FAQs here as you wish. It'll act like any other FAQs. So if you have a product, it's really nice. You can answer all the questions that somebody might have about it. Okay, and you can take out categories, tags if you wish. You can remove the author, style it however you want. So let's look at styles further. Let's go into Premium. We have FAQ display styles, border block. We looked at some of those. Color block shapes, reveal effects. Like I said before, about half of these are pretty good. You can have FAQ ratings, pretty permalinks, autocomplete for when people are searching, change your select base, social media, we can turn that on. We did the WooCommerce, submit FAQ, we looked at that. So let's refresh, take a look. Here you have the social media, and people can share information for you. Let's go into ordering. You can group FAQs by category, sort categories, FAQ ordering, selected order. We'll look at that later. Sort categories by slug, ascending, descending. Okay, this order table right here is really nice. It's drag and drop to reorder specific FAQ questions. So put it on selected order, click and drag wherever you like it. This is a really nice feature with Ultimate FAQ. You can get really specific and really customize how you want to order your questions. Let's go look at fields. Again, we looked at this. You can add special fields to gather more information. Labeling, you can change the labeling. Posted by tags, enter your question. You might put please enter your question or thank you, however you like. Different styling is now available for the toggle symbols. We'll change that. You can make it however large you wish, whatever background colors you want to use. Block theme is now available to change. List theme is available. And you can really get down with the font families, sizes, colors, margins, paddings, for all of these different areas of your FAQ. Let's look at the export and import feature for Ultimate FAQ. Now you can export to PDF. We'll take a quick look at it. This is nice. It would be nice to have them more compiled a little closer. Right now it puts each question on its own page. But still, it's a nice feature to have. You can export to your own spreadsheet, to import to other websites, or to work on further, especially if you have a team of people working on it together. You can now import from two areas, from the plugin, as we said before, but more importantly from a spreadsheet. So you would choose your file and then click Import Spreadsheet FAQs. So that's it for Ultimate FAQ. If you like what you see, definitely check them out. I'm David Coleman for WP Mayor.